Herein we are trying to fit CRF model, build a CRF model and using the crf.fit. And when we try to run this, give it a moment. Herein we will get the attribute error. The attribute error is that there is the CRF object has no attribute as keep temp file. So this is what the attribute error is. Although there is this attribute error, still the prediction will be happening. So in order to fix that, what we will be doing is we will be using a try and except function here, wherein we will be fitting the model, and if the attribute error comes up, still we will be having our predictions with us. And when we try to do this prediction after this build has been done, we will be able to see this prediction. So as you can see, this output has came up after this has run. So prediction works well even after there was an attribute error.